Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a PDF to Squarespace. Whether we want to share documents, guides, or downloadable content, we will walk through the simple steps to add a PDF to our site. On our Squarespace editing page, let's add some text and link it to our PDF, just like this. Once we click here, we need to click the link option. That way, when we are done typing, all we have to do is highlight the text. So we highlight it, then click the link button. In the URL field, we will switch it to File, like so. Then we click Upload File, browse our files, and select the PDF we want to link to our text. Here we have a sample PDF. As we can see, it is a PDF, and it is now linked. The text now has a working PDF link, as shown. And that is how we upload a PDF to Squarespace. With just a few simple steps, we can make our files easy to access for our visitors.